What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use sections on Substack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Substack. After typing, you will see this first official website of Substack. Click on this website and after clicking, you will be welcomed to this page of Substack. Now, if you are new to Substack, on the right side, you will see the sign up option here. Just click on that sign in option and then enter your email and password. But if you already have created a Substack account, you will see the dashboard option. Click on this dashboard option and then in both the cases, you will be welcome to the homepage of Substack. Now from here at the top right corner, click on settings. After clicking on settings, scroll down a bit and then you will see these sections. Click on this sections button and then you will be leaded to the section button and then from here click on add section. Now from here type in your newsletter name. After writing the title, enter the descriptions and make sure that the description is correlated to your title because it attracts the more users to view and interest everyone to view your newsletter more further. After that, you can enter an email sender name, but this is optional. And after that, you can just scroll down a bit. But if you have a section logo, you can click on upload image and then upload your logo, or you can generate an image through AI. Now, if your newsletter contains podcasts, click on new podcast and then add a podcast from your computers. And after that, by checking this checkbox, it will add new subscribers by default. And by checking this checkbox, it will copy your email list, and if checked, all your current subscribers will automatically be subscribed to this newsletter. And when you are done, just simply click on create section. So your new section will be then created, and then you can also edit or add more sections. So this is how you can use section on Substack. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.